Have you ever stumbled upon a hidden gem online? Well, today I found a secret spot that promises unlimited Monopoly Go free dice rolls in my account. Naturally, I wanted to give it a shot. First, I needed my game username and the current number of dice rolls I have. With those details in hand, I headed online to test this method. After entering my game information and initiating the process, a human verification task popped up, asking me to download a game and play it until level 9. I completed the task and was verified. When I returned to my game, I was thrilled to see the Monopoly Go free dice added to my account. These Monopoly Go free dice links truly worked. If you're searching for Monopoly Go cheats or Monopoly Go free spins, this method is a must-try. What makes this discovery even more exciting is the ease with which you can get those extra rolls. The process is straightforward and doesn't take much time. Plus, the thrill of seeing your dice count go up after completing the verification task is unmatched. It's like finding a hidden treasure in the game. For anyone struggling with low dice rolls, this method is a game changer. I highly encourage all Monopoly Go players to give it a try and enjoy the benefits of having more dice rolls at their disposal. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!